Hey guys, I'm Amanda from Just Because, and today I wanted to share a really easy recipe for matcha raspberry Rice Krispies. These are a great no-bake dessert. They take no time at all. Plus, they are super delicious. So let's get on to the recipe.
To make your Rice Krispies, start off by melting your butter in a non-stick pan. Then add your mini marshmallows and continue stirring over medium heat until completely melted and combined with the butter. I like to use a wooden spoon or spatula to mix everything together. Once completely melted, take your pan off the heat and pour in your Rice Krispies without making a mess like me, and stir well. Line a 9x13 pan with parchment paper. Spread your Rice Krispies into your pan and make it as even as possible. I like to rip off a piece of my parchment paper and use it not only to clean my wooden spoon, but also to press against the Rice Krispies to flatten it out. Once cooled, cut your Krispies into even squares using a serrated knife. To make the easy matcha chocolate coating, melt some white chocolate candy melts. Add in some matcha powder and mix well. Now this is the part where you can get really creative with your dipping style, but I usually like to dip half of the Krispie into the matcha chocolate, lay on a piece of parchment, then top it off with some crushed, freeze-dried raspberries. You can add a popsicle stick if you want and have it standing up, or you can dip it diagonally. It's really up to you. Just be sure to use parchment so that it comes off easily when it dries.
If you tried this recipe out or have any questions, please comment below, hit subscribe, like this video, and if you want even more content from me, make sure to follow me on social media at Just Because.